The Guardian 00815 BOS-T50 Safety Kit is a comprehensive fall protection gear specifically designed for roofers and other crew members, ensuring their safety during construction work, roofing, thatching, and high-rise window cleaning tasks. The kit comes with a full-body harness featuring 5 adjustment points and an anti-slip back placard, providing optimum comfort and secure fit for a wide range of body types. An integrated shock absorber is included in the lifeline assembly, eliminating the need for an additional shock-absorbing lanyard and reducing the weight transferred to the dorsal D-ring, thereby increasing user comfort and reducing fatigue. The kit is conveniently packed in a sturdy, waterproof bucket that houses the harness, anchor, and lifeline, making it easy to transport to different job sites while ensuring the durability of the equipment. The kit complies with OSHA and ANSI standards, can support a weight range of 130 to 310 pounds, and includes a temper reusable anchor, universal velocity harness, vertical lifeline assembly, shock pack, permanently attached positioning device, and an 18-inch lanyard extension. With a high review score and a reasonable price, this safety kit is a reliable and cost-effective solution for ensuring the safety of workers in high-risk environments.